When we don't insulate our homes properly, we find that drafts can get into the house in the winter, and air-conditioned air escapes in the summer. To prevent this, using spray foam around the home will create a more energy-efficient haven. This will cut down your energy bills while putting you one step closer to being an eco-warrior. Number 3. Foam It Green 602 Closed Cell Spray Foam Insulation Kit. Designed for first-time users, this product is fire retardant and seals out air while insulating. It is mold and pest resistant and comes with 17 accessories including gloves, nozzles, and goggles. Designed for first-time users, this is easy to apply if you follow the directions for an easier application. It is a little drippy but comes with gloves and goggles to protect your skin and eyes. Number 2. Dow Froth POC 650 Spray Foam Insulation Kit. Another two-part kit, this foam insulation can be used to fill cavities as well as seal to prevent air loss. It has a great energy efficiency rating and can yield up to 650 board feet with a 1.75-inch foam density. It comes with hose, gun, and nozzles. This model is effective at sealing cracks and retaining heat, but can be a little temperamental in regards to even delivery of each chemical. This kit covers a large area and is easy to apply. Number 1. Dow Froth POC 620 Spray Foam Sealant Insulation Kit. This two-part kit comes with a tank for each chemical. It has a 30-foot hose, gun dispenser, and 12 nozzles, both coned and fanned. There is a lubricating jelly packet and a wrench included with this kit. While unfortunately, the tanks are not recyclable, this insulation covers a large area and works well. Designed for easy application, this model includes technology to stop nozzles from becoming blocked while in use.